Hello trader, this is a complete multi-time frame analysis for XAUUSD for the upcoming NFP. As we can see that this instrument currently breaking out from this structure and potential trading opportunity with this upcoming news. So before I discuss how we can trade in this lower time frame, let's first look at the bigger picture to see, as we are almost at the end of the week, and this is the monthly price section where we can see that XAUUSD this week early open with a gap, and from this gap open the market managed to bounce and feeling that long week on the monthly, and we could see that XAUUSD potentially breaking out to create a new higher high. So there is a probability for bounce on NFP during the NFP on XAUUSD after initial pullback. And as the market approaching this monthly resistance, what I think that the price even today, as it is almost last day of trading week and it's a very important event coming up, we could see a strong impulse on this market, expecting for the price to potentially to retest this monthly resistance line or even breaking that high before coming for deeper pullback or potential trend continuation. If we look at the weekly perspective, we can see that from the weekly, as expected, the market opened with a gap maintaining series of higher lows. So far the price is showing that bullish impulse in this market, and as we can see the market is showing that bullish impulse. This is the weekly price action. So far we have seen quite a few sessions of consolidation, liquidity grab, potentially preparing for another upside here. And if we look at the weekly price action here, as you can see, this is a resistance here from the weekly, and what I think that this move potentially could bounce to the upside and could break this resistance or even retest and potentially come back for deeper pullback. So we can expect from the weekly perspective to move around 375 pip on XAUUSD from the weekly perspective. Now dropping down to the daily chart, as previous analysis also explained on XAUUSD, we can see that potential inverted head and shoulder formation here on XAUUSD. And what we can see that this is a resistance here, support here, and also support here. Previous 2 days on XAUUSD form narrow doji, which is in fact showing potential bullish price action at the moment. And this is the daily price action. From this support level, we can see that initially we have seen that deeper drop here to that support level. Currently the market is potentially bouncing, and with that bounce expecting for the price to continue to rise to create a new higher high. As with that inverted head and shoulder, we can expect now potential trend continuation. And if we look at the structure formation here from the daily, we can see it's a long-term bull market. The trend became exhausted in that area. We have seen that break from the trend, grab the liquidity. Now the price again moving back up to the resistance line to create a new higher high. So looking at the 1 hour chart, how the market is evolving, we can see that in this lower time frame there was quite a few sessions of consolidation here, and also the 4 hour as well. In this time frame we can spot a potential bot pattern here, a sheep pattern that we might see the market potentially bouncing from that structure. If we closely look at, we can see there is a structure here formation. The market tested this support here, and support here multiple times with an expanded leg, and after multiple liquidity grab, currently the price is trying to break from that level, and that could create a potential shape on that area. And there is a void here, as you can see. This is a gap, an imbalance in the market, and with the NFP, what I think that after initial pullback the price may continue to rise to that level. So therefore on the lower time frame, in that area, as this is the 1 hour impulse, this is a very important impulse here, as we will be waiting for a pullback in that area. As soon as we see the suitable pullback in that market, we'll be looking for going long with a high probability trade setup. Traders, if you enjoyed this education and analysis, make sure you give a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel. Also join the free Telegram channel link below this video for more updated education like that. Thank you, and I'll see you soon in my next analysis.